Every time you put your lashes on, they're not going to come out the same. Obviously, it's a trial and error. If you place the lash and it's like a little bit to the right, or if it's a little bit to the left, or like a little piece is not all the way on, don't be discouraged. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you live, close and very close to the camera for Vlogmas day 18. Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply your false lashes. As you guys can tell, I'm wearing my minks from my $2 mink lash review. I'll have that link down in the description box below if you guys want some bomb affordable lashes. But today I'm going to show you guys a quick easy way to apply your lashes. I know a lot of people struggle with putting on lashes, and I used to be one of them until I found a regimen that works for me. So I will go through with this with you guys nice and slow. I'm going to talk through it. I'm not doing a voiceover because I really want you guys to like be there with me while I'm putting the lashes on. It's going to be super quick and easy, and I hope this helps you guys. So let's just get into it. So to do your lashes, you only need two things. You need glue and you need tweezers. Now you can use whatever glue that you like, whatever lash glue or adhesive that you choose. And I prefer to use hair glue. A lot of people are scared to use this, and I really don't know why, because if you put a little bit of oil, rub it on the lash, it literally pops right off. You don't have to worry about yanking out your natural lashes. But like I said, this application process will work whether you're using this glue or whether you're using actual eyelash glue. So it doesn't matter what glue, you just need glue and some tweezers. So let's get into it. So the first thing I do is get a little bit of the glue and I put it onto a surface. I'm just gonna put it on here. And I put the glue on like that. Now, hair glue dries extremely fast, and that's what's going to make your life super easy in this situation if you're using hair glue. So we have our lash. Can you guys see? This is a mink lash from my $2 mink lash review. I'll have it linked down in the description box below. I have reused these multiple times and they're still fine. So get you some $2 lashes, girl. I'll have everything linked down there. But what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold the lash like this. The inner part is here, the outer part is here. So we're gonna be working on this eye first. Now, these lashes are already pre-cut, but if these were fresh out the pack, what you would do is line them up with your eye, see if it fits perfectly. And most of the time the lash will be too long. So what you're going to do, you're going to cut a little bit of the excess from the edges and measure it again and see if it fits. You never want to cut from the inner part of the lash. Let's just get this in focus. You can see how the inner part of the lash is smaller or shorter than the outer edge. And if you were to cut that inner portion off, you would lose that tapered effect. Only cut from the outside. All right, so let's get to applying the glue. So you're gonna hold your lash like this. You're gonna apply the glue to the lash band in a nice even layer. Don't do this too thick because you don't want too much glue on here. A little bit goes a long way. Paying very close attention to the front, the end, and the middle, because that's where lashes tend to lift up the most. This is the most critical part of the whole process, okay? Let this get a little sticky. Blow on it, you know, let some air touch it. Wait a little bit. You're not gonna wanna go all the way in and put it on right now because the glue is gonna slide all around your eye and you're gonna have a mess. And we don't want that, right? I mean, I hope y'all don't want that because your lashes is gonna be looking crazy. So, like I said, hair glue dries much faster than regular eyelash glue. So maybe 10 to 15 seconds, you'll be good with this and you can put it on with the hair glue. But if you're using like a duo lash adhesive, I would definitely say apply the lash glue and then put the lash down, do your brows or something, or put some mascara on or something like to pass the time, and then go back in and put it on, because those I find take much longer to dry. Whenever I record, it looks like I have a booger, but I swear I don't. There's no boogers, all right? But it'd be looking like it. I don't know what it is, but whatever. So now you're ready to apply your lash. You're going to have the tweezers be very close to the base of the lash. This is how you're going to hold this. And when you're placing it onto your eye, you want to place it directly to the middle of the lash. So I pull my eye like this, and I place the lash right here. I hope you guys can see. And it should stick. If it doesn't stick, you didn't let the lash glue dry long enough. Okay? Now, I take the inner corner, try to stick that down. Oop, oop, wait. Please hold. Technical difficulty. So, the lash is kind of floating right now. I'm just gonna flip it up like that. And now we can adjust the placement. You could put it a little further to the outside. Pull it to the inside. And at this point, your lash is pretty much on. But it's flying in the wind a little bit. So you're gonna use your 2 fingers, look up, and smash the lashes together as close to your natural lashes as possible. And go ahead and let that dry. One lash is completely done. As you guys can see, it's pretty close to my lash band. You can't really see any glue peeking out from anywhere. It looks bomb. Looks bomb. All right, so let's do the next lash. Same exact process, okay? So you're gonna hold the lash at the middle like that. Then get your glue. I have a mirror here as well, so you definitely want to do this on an angle where you're looking down and into the mirror. I'm going to pull my lash like this. I'm going to look down with this eye, and I'm looking into the mirror with this eye, if that makes sense. And you're going to place the lash. It should stay. As soon as you touch the lash to your skin, it should stay. And now you're just gonna adjust the placement. You see how the edge is up like this? You're just gonna take your tweezers, pull the edge of the lash, lift it up a little, and pull it as close to your natural lashes as possible. And check your placement, see how you like it. You can move it over a little bit if you want. And just smash the natural lashes and the real lashes together. Whew. I stuck my eye a little bit. And make sure that inner corner is down. Alright? Now, I start to push up a little bit, because when you push up, you can see what's stuck and what's not. You can see the inner part is not sticking. So, this is what you do when you're in this situation where you put the lash on and you see that it's not sticking that good. Take the back of your tweezers, dip a little bit into the glue, and I just apply it to the edge of the lash, and then try to stick it back on. Like that. And there you have it. Now, every time you put your lashes on, they're not going to come out the same. Obviously, it's a trial and error. If you place the lash and it's like a little bit to the right, or if it's a little bit to the left, or like a little piece is not all the way on, don't be discouraged. You literally can take it off, rub the glue off, and try again. Like, it's not a big deal. My lashes don't go on perfectly every single time. Sometimes I do have to adjust them, like how I showed you guys in this video. This lash was playing with me and the inner corner didn't want to stay down, so I had to do a little bit of surgery, you feel me, to make it fix. So let's just put some lower lashes mascara on, and then we'll be done. Alrighty, you guys, my lashes are on. What do you guys think? I think they look amazing. You can literally wear these without doing your makeup if you apply them properly. So yeah, do some practice runs. I would definitely say invest in some hair glue. Like I said, if you remove the lashes properly, you won't have any issue. Use some type of oil, baby oil, coconut oil, whatever it is. Add it to your makeup wipe, rub it on the lash with some warm water, and it pops right off. It doesn't take any of your hair with it. Also, these lashes have been holding on strong. This is like maybe my 5th or 6th time reusing these lashes, and they only cost me $2. Like, you really can't beat that. They look amazing. They look natural. They don't look super chunky and thick and like, you know, those butterfly lashes that people be wearing that just are a little too thick, a little bit too drama, a little bit too drag, you know. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry my upload is late today. Vlogmas has been testing me. If you haven't entered my hair giveaway, what are you doing, sis? Like, I don't know why anybody wouldn't want to win free hair. I mean, I'll have the video linked down below. If you haven't entered the giveaway, please, there's still time to enter. I will be announcing the winner on Christmas Day, so make sure you participated by Christmas Eve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below where you get your lashes from, because I'm down to try other companies. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications. Join the notification gang so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.